So guys, part 2. We already have all the parts. As you can see, all the bumpers, grill, everything we have today. And our water pump bottle is broken as well, so we're gonna replace that as well. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna start building up this one, and then we will let you know shortly. So, but before we do that, we have the issue. I don't know if you can. My camera will show you. Can you see? This is slightly bent, so it's turning inside. So we have to make them straight. And once we make the straight, you can see the gap there. And once we make it straight, then we're gonna start building up. So hopefully we're gonna do it today, couple of hours. But make sure you like, subscribe, and leave the comment. And see you shortly. Bye. So guys, we made him straight. We remove our bottle, replaced it. So now we put back the front and get back soon. As you can see, we fixed the front. So now we're going to start up the car and make sure it doesn't any water leak or any issue with the starting it. So we're going to put power steering fluid, add glue, and let's see how it goes. We've got 1 liter. I don't know if it's enough or not, but we'll see. Looks like should be enough. Once the car starts, then we know if we need more or we need. Next thing we need to do, we'll add glue in. That's been difficult. So we put coolant in and see to settle down. Let me go and get the battery pack to start up the car. Give me a moment. So now we've got the battery pack. We're gonna start up the car to make sure running's fine, no water leak or any other issue. Okay. Now we're going to start the car. You can hear it. So now our car is started, radiator is disconnect, water is done, put power fluid as well. So running smoothly now, it's perfectly fine. So now we're gonna go install the bumper, headlights. Once we done it, you update it. Stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, we done. Finish our panel, bumper. You can show this side as well, please. All aligning done. Engine is running fine. Sorry. Close. So now I'll come with the third part when we do the body paint. So when we do the body paint, we're gonna make other video. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow, like, and share as much as you can. Thank you.